Hello and welcome back to the QB Central, and today I'll be unboxing my DIY glow-in-the-dark DaYan TaiYan. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but we'll see. There's probably going to be two videos, one just the unboxing and another, maybe three videos. First unboxing, like looking at the pieces, second one, review, just showing it together in first thoughts, and then I'll make a review after a few days, after it's a bit broken in. So the ribbon, you can keep that. Unboxing thing. So, yep, this is the DaYan TaiYan. It's glow in the dark. Oh wow, it looks cool. Oh yeah, here are the screw spring washers. And you see the logo in there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you saw that. There's stickers. Take a look at the stickers. Yellow, red, orange, green, blue, white, application tape, which I'm not really sure how to use. A HKnowstore card. Awesome. Okay, so there's nothing else in there. So let's open the bag and look at the pieces. Okay, so here's the logo. If you didn't see it. Okay, so let's take a look at the pieces. I don't have any other 3x3s to compare with. So here's an edge piece. Looks like a Rubik's band, but this part's rounded off. I think these are caps. Yeah, so the edges have caps on them. So do the corners, I think. These look kind of like Rubik's brands. Not sure if it will be really good or not. And here's a centerpiece. The core, it's just average core, and here are the screws and springs. I'm not sure if I'll lubricate this. I'm not sure if I'll know how. I brought my Q-Smith lubricant though. Not really sure how to use application tape. I'm gonna have to see. So yeah, I guess I'll just put on the caps and then I'll just end the video. Okay, just put on the last cap. Thing about these, since it's like kind of transparent, you can just kind of see the cap bottom part. Oh yay, extra caps. Oh wait, no, these are for the centers. But there's still one extra cap. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, so there's an extra cap. That's definitely a good thing. Spare cap. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to see if I can put this together and lubricate it. So yeah, I'll have the actual assembled cube. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.